say, a couple of years in different designs. And stuff.
Yeah.
So,
Because again, they change the design every 5 minutes.
Well, yeah, exactly. They got the cape, they got this and this and this.
And like now you have to try to figure out how to put the new node thing in from the new game, and it's like...
So the only thing I added was this.
Well, that thing is from the new game too, technically, so it counts.
Slayer! Can I get a shot of you? Oh, that's my buddy. I was trying to jump scare. Respect your brother. Yes, sir. You got it. So I do have some extra events here I forgot to document for you guys. And it actually works pretty good. It's all strapped to this wire, which is actually attached to the battery pack in my pocket. But if you're ever doing helmets, I'll leave these down in the description below for you guys. And just get them because you don't want to burn up in a helmet.
Okay, you guys ready?
Joshua!
Why? Why? That is hilarious.
Oh, got it.
You guys are filling up my camera. I can't see. It's just nothing but blue on my screen.
Next up is NERF Slayer from Doom. Next up is McKenna.
So this is me at the end of the video after all of this has just happened a couple days ago. I do want to explain some stuff before we end off. No, I did not win the contest, unfortunately. There were some other people that actually was cheering for behind the scenes. So there was a Mark 1 Iron Man suit that won, I believe, Best Armored Costume in the Novice or Intermediate stage, which was super awesome. There was a guy that I was chatting with during the pre-judging who had an Iron Spiderman suit. He won, I believe he won overall novice, I don't remember, but he definitely did win one of the nominees of the trophies. I'll actually leave his Instagram down in the description below because he does follow me now. He's super cool, very, very nice guy. He did a really good job on his Iron Spider-Man suit. But no, I did not win the contest, which honestly, I am a little pissed, not because I didn't win, but because I didn't do a pose or some sort of show-off moment while I was getting on the stage. Behind the stage, I was getting myself ready, like, let's go, let's show the Slayer, come on! Like, I'm trying to get over my stage fright, because I haven't done anything stage-related in, like, years. Literally, last time I'd done any of that, like, stage entertainment, was in high school. Like, that was 10 years ago when I was doing some kind of talent show and I was playing guitar or something. So it was a little nerve-wracking, but it was like a 10 or 5% feeling of nervousness. The rest of it was just like, I just want to go up there and just have fun. I don't care if I do a pose or do a slow pass or whatever, because I knew personally I wasn't going to win at all. I was just there just to kind of have fun with it. I will look around for another costume contest and submit the Slayer again, but next time, and when I go for round 2, I'm going to have somebody with me, and it's going to be awesome. And I already have it all mapped up in my head, what exactly I'm going to be doing. Other than that, it was a really, really fun event. I'll definitely go back to this one again, just like I do at Spookala every single year. I think the Tampa Bay Comic Convention is super, super awesome. And I love that it's such a great community. These two conventions actually have been around since like the 90s, my era of costume and cosplay sort of stuff. But I will leave a lot of the guys' Instagram page down in the description below. Check out the guy in the Iron Spiderman suit, the guy in the classic Slayer, his name was Flynn. Shout out to you, dude, you are so awesome. I'm super happy we got to hang out for almost the entire day on Saturday. And also shout out to the guy who was in the other, I kind of like that little medieval style Slayer with the classic Viking shield and the crucible sword. That was pretty cool. It's super unique. I actually did notice reviewing this, you had the bullet chain on. That is super cool as well. And just the moment we have all 3 Slayers was really unique. You never see that. You never see all 3 or 3 different Slayers showing up to a convention. That's the first time I've ever interacted with stuff like that. So I will leave all of these guys' Instagram down in the description below so you guys can go follow and support them. With that said, I'm going to wrap up everything here. Hope you guys enjoyed. This was a really fun convention. I will definitely go back. You guys enjoy the rest of the week. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a fat Doom Slayer like. Check out my Instagram page down there as well and see a crap ton of photos that a friend of mine, Jen, has taken from me. Her Instagram page will be down in the description as well. So thank you again to Jen. Thank you for Flynn and everybody else who has interacted with me, as well as the other 3rd Slayer. You are awesome. And the Iron Spider-Man cosplayer. And I will see you goons later. I'm very tired.